So this is Montpelier Motor Speedway. I think it's the oldest in Indiana as far as tracks. It was built in 1903 originally as a horse track. A little track packing. It actually does have a little bit of banking, looks like, though you can't really see it from here. But it actually does have a little bit of banking, at least on the upper part. Very primitive, very old, like going back in time. In the middle of packing the track and rolling it. Here we go, first car is out to help. Well, anyway, I'll save some of this for the sprint show, the video that is.